Before the treatment, put the cooling gel on the skin and then turn on machine. Now you can see the welcome interface. Tap the welcome and then go to the treatment mode. There are now 3 modes: hair removal, fast hair removal, and skin rejuvenation. Now we start from hair removal. Now go to next interface. Here you can see skin type. You can choose skin type and gender, and also the treatment part. Different parts. And then choose arm for lady. Okay. And then here you can see all the parameters: skin type, body area, gender, and also water temperature, flow rate, total shows. Also shows here on the center the parameter for the power. You can set to adjust the power, frequency. Okay. Ready. And then you need to adjust the skin cooling for the spot set cooling. And then treatment. Then we back to next mode. Stand by first and back to last page. Choose fast hair removal mode. In this interface, there are 5 grids for fluence. You can just choose one. Ready again, and then also skin cooling. For treatment, back to interface. Ready, and back to last page to choose last mode, skin rejuvenation. For skin rejuvenation, for different power, there are 3 grids to choose: soft, comfortable, and effective. You can choose ready and also skin cooling. Also in this interface, the water temperature, flow rate, total shows also shows. So now, okay, finish, back, and then turn off machine.